Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable SSO for team security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Airtable login page. Enter your email address and password to access your Airtable account. Once logged in, head to your workspace settings. Look for the settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on settings to open the configuration options. Find the Authentication tab within the settings. Select the Single Sign-On SSO option. You will see an option to enable SSO for your team. Click on the toggle to activate SSO. Next, enter your SSO provider details in the required fields. Configure the necessary SSO settings as per your organization's protocol. Make sure to fill in the identity provider URL. Add your team's SSO certificate for secure communication. Review all the settings to ensure they are accurate. After confirming, click the Save button to apply the changes. Notify your team members about the new SSO setup. Provide them with instructions on how to access Airtable using SSO. Encourage them to log out and log back in to test the new setup. Monitor the initial login attempts to address any issues. Ensure ongoing support is available for team members during the transition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.